Hello and welcome back to Steve's Monumental Adventure. I hope you're enjoying the series. This is episode 27 and we take a look at the most famous reservoir of all, and it's the Derwent Reservoir in the Peak District, and more famous for the dam busters. Let's get into the video. Well folks, after all of the fun and the excitement of visiting Ladybower, we're now at the other one which feeds Ladybower, which is called Derwent Reservoir, which is again is looked after by Severn Trent. So we're going to go down now towards the dam now, so I'll switch you around. And we've got this like bit of a forest we're going through at the moment, a little bit of a carpet of like pine trees and things, quite nice really. I'm just heading down and you can see, I think there's a big pipeline running through the middle of that, look. But hopefully will give us a good view up the Derwent Valley. You can see from here it's complete and utterly dried up just to this little trickle that's coming down now. And there's a pipeline crossing that bridge, look, see it? So we can just see the dam coming into view now, and we're right at the bottom of it here. This is one, this is not like a grass one, this is all concrete. Derwent Reservoir is the middle of three individual reservoirs in the Derwent Valley, and this one is 1.5 miles in length, and the reservoir covers a landmass of 175 acres, and it has a staggering depth of 34.7 metres. This dam was more famously used for the practicing of the dam busters in World War II.
In 1955, a severe drought, which saw public prayers being offered for rain, brought home the need for a new reservoir in the Derwent Valley. But how do you go about building a dam that will create one of the biggest inland waters in Britain? A dam big enough to hold back 11,000 million gallons of water. That's 20,000 Olympic swimming pools or 44 Wembley stadiums. It had to be 3,000 foot long and 119 foot higher than the old river level. Taking 6 years and £5.5 million to complete, this really was a fantastic feat of engineering. Firstly, the River Derwent had to be diverted through a huge tunnel. Then, after the dam was built, just like filling up the Bath, or 625 million baths, they put a plug in, a concrete plug 25 feet thick to be precise. All this was not without problems, as you can imagine. Clays, silts and gravel, all naturally soaked with water, had to be drained to provide a sturdy base. Ingeniously, this unwanted water was forced up and out through thousands of vertically bored sand drains as the dam settled and squashed the layers underneath. Opened in 1967 by Princess Alexandra, the reservoir provides a reliable daily yield of 30 million gallons, as well as a dam-fine wildlife habitat and a great place to visit.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to see all the future videos that we've got coming up in this series and the other stuff that we do. Thank you for watching, it is very much appreciated.